Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Nurdin, metric number 11715114, group tutorial TKA1. Today I want to present about the benefits of fruits in Al-Quran and in science perspective. Background of research. Firstly, in general, the main aspect that influences human eating habits is attitude, while the particular behavior is religion. In many societies, religion plays an influential role in food choice. The impact of religion on food consumption depends on the religion itself. Secondly, Islam is a way of life governed by rules and customs based on 5 pillars which every Muslim has to obey. The first one is Shahadah or witnessing. Next is Salat or prayer. Third is Zakah or charity. Fourth is Saum or fasting. And finally Hajj or pilgrimage. In addition, Muslims have to follow a set of dietary laws intended to uphold their well-being. Thirdly, some halal food that mentioned is fruits. Fruits that be mentioned in Al-Quran such as olive, grapes, pomegranate, dates, banana and figs. Many of them are taken as remedies, for example, pomegranate for intestinal bleeding and other health problems. Lastly, even though Quran and Sunnah have guided the Muslim concerning remedial foods that promote health, especially fruits, many Muslims are not well aware about them. Majority of the therapeutic foods came from plant sources such as dates, grapes, and olive. This is the review from Literature Review about the benefits of fruits in Al-Quran and in science perspective. Bushra Wangde 2017 write about the fruits mentioned in the Quran such as olive, grapes, pomegranates, dates, banana and figs. She also mentioned the verses of each fruit and the health benefit of fruits. Soha Nevet 2017 stated that there are 6 beneficial fruits for human according to the Holy Quran and Sunnah. The 6 beneficial fruits are bananas, a fruit of blessings, olive, the relish fruit, dates, the fruit of desert, grapes, the fruit of gardens, pomegranates, a fruit in garden of Jannah, and figs, the seedless fruit. Meanwhile, Muhammad Khairul Anwar bin Zulkifli 2016 mentioned about the fruits in the Quran through lingual aspects such as figs in Arabic called as tin, olive in Arabic called as zaitun, banana in Arabic called as talh, grape in Arabic called as inab, pomegranate in Arabic called as ar-rumman, and dates in Arabic called as an-nakhlu. Huda 2019 stated that Islamic dietary law distinguish between food and drink that are allowed means halal and those that are prohibited means haram. Next problem statement. Firstly, Muslims are taught through Islamic dietary law governed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to be very particular in selecting foods that are good to their health. Secondly, nevertheless, majority of Muslims are not concerned in eating healthy food as guided. Nutritious and wholesome foods, for example fruits, could well prevent the Muslim from getting serious diseases such as cancer. Thirdly, however, they are not consuming them regularly enough. This is due to their lack of awareness and knowledge about healthy foods. The main gap identified in this review concerns the lack of knowledge of eating healthy foods. More data are needed on eating healthy foods in general. Fourthly, pertaining to unhealthy foods given to children, many chronic diseases are attacking children from a very young age, for example, obesity and diabetes. This is because of the lack of awareness among parents on teaching children to consume healthy foods. Then, research objective. There are three research objectives. Firstly, to identify the fruits that are specifically cited by Quran. Secondly, to analyze the nutrition information of the fruits that have been identified with supported scientific explanation from the Quran. Thirdly, to understanding the Islamic dietary laws. Research questions. There are three research questions. Firstly, what are the fruits that mentioned in Quran? Secondly, what are the scientific explanation on the fruits in Quran? Thirdly, what are the Islamic dietary laws? Significance of research. Firstly, this study will benefit Muslims in terms of economy and healthy lifestyle, covering both individual and Islamic nation. Secondly, majority of the foods which are fruits that are specifically concerned in the Quran are available in the Islamic countries. Therefore, Muslim countries will benefit from this study to boost up in terms of food. Thirdly, this study also will educate humans to consume healthy food. It will be beneficial for Muslims because there are many benefits of fruits that are mentioned specifically such as dates, pomegranate, figs, and olive by Quran, which are believed to be very nutritious and do not contain harmful side effects. Lastly, Muslims will have more understanding of their own religion by understanding the command of Allah through the dietary laws. In addition, the study also will educate humans about holistic nutrition. Research methodology. Firstly, research design. The researcher use qualitative study as a research design. Secondly, data collection. The researcher use document analysis, means primary sources. Thirdly, instrument is the researcher. For the sample, certain verses conveying about fruits in Surah Al-Nahl, Surah Al-Isra, Surah Al-An'am, Surah Maryam, Surah Al-Waqi'ah, and Surah At-Tin. The data analysis, the researcher used thematic analysis. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.